Good afternoon. Let's see. Yeah. Good afternoon to those who listen. It is now October 4th, 2023, 2:20 p.m., which is Central Time. So it's like an hour past the time of when the EAS test should be already over with. So I put my phones in the tin foil and I put them in the microwave and unplugged the microwave. So I got two phones. One phone, which this is the phone first. This phone is an old phone that has no service anymore, but I just kept it, and we'll see if anything happens. This one has a battery, so I took the battery out, and I took the SIM card out. The other phone, the battery is in there, and you cannot take it out. So here we go. Here's the first phone. I didn't get any signal. I also have a weather radio over there. Can't see it. And it did not go off. Okay, here's the back of my phone. SIM card. Push it back in. Battery. Oops. Gotta put it in the right way. Battery's in. And the cover's back on. I don't even use this phone anymore, but we'll see if anything happens with this phone. I didn't hear any alerts, nobody else's alerts. This is an old phone. But I used this up until February of this year. And I got a new phone finally because the service was crappy. And I couldn't text or make calls, so it's like, well, what good is that? Plus it was track phone, which was terrible service anyway. It was cheap, but bad. For a while it was working good, but then after a while it was bad. And then I couldn't make any calls or any texts, and they kept saying, "Oh, you need to do this, you need to do that," blah blah blah, and nothing ever worked. Two 223, October 4th. Nothing. So no signal went on here. Just don't have service anyway, so. Oops, not apps, but I can try turning the Wi-Fi on, see if anything happens. Because it will work. I can make like videos and I can, play games if I wanted or whatever. Ooh, it automatically did it, which is weird. I didn't even switch it on. But again, nothing. Nothing. No messages. Oh, nothing. Updated 8:30, August 30th. Well, that was for like the weather. Let's see if it updates the weather. Yes, it did. October 4th. It's still updating the daily forecast from AccuWeather. But it's got October 4th up here, showing 65 degrees, but down here it's showing who knows when. Ugh. What happened? Something happened. What's going on? Shows no service. Weird. I was trying to do some search, but even though I didn't try to do a search. Okay, let's try this again. Back to the weather. It's trying to. I know it ain't no 9 to 3 today. Connection failed. Well, why would a connection fail when I have the internet? Anyway, this isn't the important phone anyway. Let's get rid of this one. I'm going to turn the Wi-Fi off and then turn it off. Come on! For some reason, it's slow. Unbelievable. Alright, turn it off. I'll turn that off too. Bam. Okay. Now, let's turn it off. Come on. Okay, done. I use that phone anyway. Alright, now my phone, my main phone. Here we go. I didn't hear no signals, no nothing. Nothing happened. Let's see if we get the delayed alert on this one now. When I turn it on though, I still gotta put the internet, the Wi-Fi on, so. Random screensaver. All right. Phone is starting. Okay, gotta wait for it to load up a little, and then I can switch the internet on, the Wi-Fi. 65 degrees. It can't be 65. It was 75 this morning. All right, here we go. Turning on the Wi-Fi. Bam. I had it on airplane mode. And now Wi-Fi's on. Let me make sure it's connected to my network, which it automatically does, but we'll make sure this time connected. All right, first we'll go to the weather. Just see how the weather is. I didn't get nothing, unless it's still delayed. All right, the weather, 82. And then we have a big drop in our weather. Yesterday was 87, 69 was the low. Today's 82, 57 low. Tomorrow's 79, 48 low. Friday, 60, 42 for the low. And then the rest of the week is low to mid 60s and then low 40s for the lows. Nothing. No texts, no alerts, no nothing. I didn't get nothing. Huh. Ain't that something? So I didn't get nothing. Zero. No calls. I'm getting some alerts. Here we go. Hold on. Davenport, nationwide emergency alert system. Let's see what this says. Nationwide emergency alert system testing raising concerns. Oh gosh. 5 hours ago. Okay, so this is not even. They were worried about abuse victims because if they hear the signal, they might think that there's something going on. I don't know. That's weird. Oh, they're worried their abuser might find their phone, find out where they're at. All right, so that's nothing. Let's place in Iowa to see the ring of fire. I don't see anything. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm kind of surprised. Let me see if there's anything here. So did I just avoid the whole thing because I put it in tin foil and put it in the microwave? Did anybody else get this test? Huh. Nothing. All right, I'm just going to check some more things and see. These are all just regular notifications, but nothing. Huh. Ain't that something? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So the next question is, did you get the test? Did you turn the phones off, take the batteries out if you can, take the SIM card out? Did you put it in the microwave? Did you put it in tin foil? Did you do anything to avoid the test from coming through? I didn't get nothing, but then again, I wrapped it in tin foil and I also put it in the microwave and turned it off. All right, thanks for watching. Wow, I got absolutely nothing. And I went down in the basement, I turned everything off. I figured, if anything, my weather radio should have went off, but it didn't. And I figured if I could hear outside. I was listening to see if I'd hear anybody else, with their phone or their car, radio, whatever. Nothing. Was this test even done? There was enough. That was one of the things. Maybe it got delayed, but I'll have to see if anybody else got this alert. I'm going to do this video and we'll see if anybody got it this. All right, thanks for watching. God bless.